So it's now day 2 of the turbo build, and what I'm really focused on doing today is drilling and tapping the oil pan. I gotta take these intercooler pipes off right now, but I'm really focused on drilling and tapping the oil pan and getting the turbo completely plumbed as far as the lines, like the coolant lines and the oil feed and return. That's what I'm mainly focusing on today. So we will see what we can get done. So now I'm just now finding out that this drill bit does not fit in my drill. Wow. That should be plenty tight enough. So now that I got the oil pan drilled and tapped, I'm about to take that oil feed bolt out and replace it with the AN fitting. That way the turbo will be hooked up as far as oil wise. Well, I thought I was gonna have it totally plumbed up and everything today, but this fitting does not go into the block. It's the wrong thread. So that's it for today. I'm gonna just do the coolant lines once I get this right fitting, but until then I really can't do anything. So it's now day 2 of part 2, and today I am feeling so much better than I was yesterday. Yesterday I was pretty hungover, honestly, but I'm feeling way better today. So today I'm pretty sure probably all I'm gonna do is just simply actually fully bolt up the manifold and bolt up the turbo to the manifold, get that all done, and then get all the other lines that I can, like all the coolant lines and the oil return, get that all mounted up and everything, and have it ready to just throw on that oil feed whenever I get the fitting. It shouldn't take long or anything. It should be quick. This gasket is not the actual right gasket that what you were supposed to use in it, but this stuff is supposed to withhold like 700 degrees worth of temperature and whatnot. So I just made it myself, and I think it'll work fine. So now I spent like a fucking hour trying to get these 4 bolts on and tight. Finally everything's tightened up, and I need to trim these hoses, that way they're not just like insanely long for where they're going. I think that's where I'm gonna cut it today, because I do not have enough of this size hose to go into the other side of the coolant line. And if I take this hose off, I'll just be spilling coolant everywhere right now with no intentions of putting another one back. So that is where I think I am going to end part 2 of the turbo build. As soon as I get the right AN fitting, I can do the oil feed, and then I can go and get the hose and finish off the coolant lines, routing the coolant lines. So I think that's where I'm gonna completely end the whole video. I can't wait to hear this thing run, and I can't wait to actually drive it, because the diff is gonna be welded soon too. So I can't wait to actually drift it once it got some power, and once the diff is welded. It's gonna be a whole different game. But oh well, we'll see. So if you like the video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Later.